Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to edit photos and add filters using Photos app on iPhone. The iPhone Photos app allows you to edit photos and add filters without downloading third-party apps. The app is suitable for beginners and advanced users. You can change or remove edits at any time without permanently altering the original file and edit your images without having to leave your iPhone photo library. So, to edit photos and add filters on an iPhone using the Photos app, you have to open the Photos app first. As you can see, we have already opened the Photos app. Now, tap on a photo you want to edit, tap on edit option. If you want to crop, you can crop it from here. Alright, you can add filters from here. As you can see, different filters are being provided by iPhone. You can also adjust the photo by your choice. So this is how you are going to edit photos or crop photos or even add filters to your photos on an iPhone. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.